Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda, loving saying things since 1968. Okay, I really couldn't talk in 1968 very much, but I love talking in general, and I'm so glad to see you here. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. Today, we're going to be doing a look from Jolie Beauty in the UK, and it is the Vampirism palette. It is Gorgioso. Look at that. I also have had another palette of this size from them called the Sorceress palette, which is right here, and it is just as beautiful, but it's cool tones, greens and purples. So I'm excited to see what my look with this palette will be like today. And in case you were wondering, I do have some magic swatches. Bam! All the way up into there. But I just did some of the more colorful swatches. Colorful swatches. And they swatch just so easily with just one small swipe of the eyeshadow, and it just turned out great on my forearm. So we're gonna do a look with that today, and I'm really excited. I'm also, at the end of this video, going to tell you how you can win this box full of stuff. What is this? It is my 1600 subscriber giveaway. It's very heavy and full of things, and you could win that if you follow some directions that are very easy to follow. And it's so easy. I couldn't close the box because the phone was in the way. But anyway, so at the end of the video, we'll give you directions on how to win that box of goodies. There's some high-end skincare, there's some makeup, there's a little bit of everything. And speaking of a little bit of everything, there's a little bit of everything in this palette. I'm very excited about it. So I'm gonna start with a neutral color, and there's plenty of those here. I'm gonna start with Craving on a fluffy brush. That is beautiful, and it goes on so easily, so smooth. It's fantastic. And there we have our nice base coat in the crease. And then now we have to decide which direction we want to go. Venom is the multi-chrome. This Vampirism color, this green, is fantastic. I haven't done much green looks, but I've been doing a lot of purple lately. I don't know. There's so many choices. So I'm going to just throw some caution to the wind and go into Fangs, which is this olive drab color. And that looks pretty good. I think I need a little bit more over here. And that looks very interesting so far. I'm very interested in trying out the Vampirism color. But what else color should I put on with this? We've got some really great neutrals, like this pale neutral is called Undead. Here's a silver that's called Lestat. Really great names here. I'm thinking that I'm going to go into Hypnotic with my finger. Oh, wow. I'll put that on the inside corner. Very cool. I'll do the same on the other. It's kind of a chartreuse green gold. It goes on so easily. It's such great quality shadows. And let's go into the Vampirism on the outside. I'm gonna use my finger just for fun. And that way I can really get that color in there. That's looking really amazing. I'll do the same over here. That is looking really beautiful. I want to get this and blend out. I'm going to put a little of Undead on here and blend it out the top bit of Craving. Just soften it up. I think this is a very dynamic look. I think lashes and mascara will fill it out nicely. Let's do that. And voila, we have mascara and liner on, and it really pulls this together. And for my lips, I'm going to do a beautiful Family Jewels from Jeffree Star. And there we go, a beautiful fall look with the Vampirism palette from Jolie Beauty, which is great. And we're going to now talk about how to do the 1,600 subscriber giveaway. What you're going to do is like, comment, and hopefully be already subscribed to my channel. You must at least comment and be subscribed. I can't check if you liked this or not. But in the comment, leave a message about your favorite fall memory. And it could be about anything, playing in leaves, you know, trick-or-treating, Thanksgiving, whatever your favorite fall memory is. Just put that in the words "enter me" and you will be entered. And in 1 week, I will draw a winner for the great box of goodies here. We've got some Good Molecules, some Ace Beauté, some Perricone MD, some Belle Pierre, some Gold Faden. It's really nice. And it could be yours for free. Just enter me, your favorite fall memory, and that's it. Be subscribed. Have a great day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.